Hello children, I am Mrs. Masi and today we are going to revise chapter 13, Food and Shelter of Animals. Animals also need food to grow and to live. They also need water to survive. For the food and the shelter, they have to move from one place to another. अगर वो एक जगह रहते हैं तो वो वहाँ की चीज़ों को खा लेते हैं, फिर उसके बाद वहाँ वो चीज़ें ख़त्म हो जाती है, फिर उनको दूसरी जगह जाना पड़ता है. सो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल ईट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फूड. अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर फूड वी कैन डिवाइड देम. उनके खाने के अलग अलग तरीके से, अलग अलग चीज़ों को खाने से हम उनको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. जस्ट लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग वी आर divided into two eating habits. One is vegetarian and second is non-vegetarian. Same way we can divide animals also according to their eating habit. So some animals eat only grass, leaves, greenery things like cow, goat, horse, elephant, etc. They are called plant eaters. As you can identify with the name, plant eaters means plant को खाने वाले. So you remember that plant eaters eat greenery things, grass, leaves, fruits, etc. Then there are some animals who eat flesh of other animals. कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे भी होते हैं जो कि दूसरे जानवरों को मार के खाते हैं, दूसरे जानवरों के मांस को खाते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड फ्लैश ईटर्स एनिमल बिकॉज दे ईट फ्लैश. फ्लैश मीन्स मांस. मांस को खाने वालों को फ्लैश ईटर्स कहते हैं. द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ फ्लैश ईटर्स आर लायन, टाइगर, wolf, etc. But there are some animals who eat plant, greenery things as well as flesh of other animals also. उनको जो मिलता है वो खा सकते हैं. Here, lion or tiger, wolf, they do not eat leaves or grass. Same way, cow, goat, giraffe, they also do not eat flesh of other animal. But some animals like bear, dog, crow, they eat fruits also. They eat flesh also. So these are the examples of those type animals. Fact Kids is saying that eagle and vultures, they keep they help to keep the environment or forest clean. How? Because they eat dead animals. Flesh eaters also do not eat dead animals. They hunt, they kill, then they eat the flesh. But vultures and eagles, they can eat the dead animals also. ये दोनों जो हैं vultures और vulture और eagles जो होते हैं वो मरे हुए जानवर को या मरे पड़े हुए मांस को जो बहुत दिन से पड़ा रहता है उसको खाते हैं और environment को clean करते हैं. अगर वो नहीं खाएंगे तो उससे environment गंदा हो जाएगा. There are some also animals who eat insects. कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो छोटे छोटे कीड़ों को खाते हैं. आपने लास्ट चैप्टर्स में पढ़ा है अबाउट इंसेक्ट्स. दे आर स्मॉल एनिमल्स विथ 6 legs. दे कैन फ्लाई. ऑल दिस थिंग. So there are some animals who can eat insects, like lizard and frog. There are some more animals who eat, their food is seeds and grains. उनके वो क्या खाते हैं? Seeds, बीज खाते हैं, grains खाते हैं, अनाज खाते हैं. Like you might have seen mouse eating rice, wheat in your home. Hen also, squirrel also. They eat seed and grains. Now about the homes of animal. So all animal, birds, insects, they need home like us to protect themselves from the enemies or from the hot, cold and rain. But some animals, especially those who live in the jungle, they live in den. They live in den means वो गुफा में रहते हैं. Like lion, tiger, bear, as you can see in this picture also, they are living in the den. But some animals are there who do not have any home, means they do not live in the den or they do not have any home, but they just stay in the forest, and wherever they get placed, they take rest and then again they start their life. जहां भी उनको जगह मिलती वो वहां आराम करते हैं और फिर से वो जंगलों में घूमते फिरते रहते हैं. सो दे डू नॉट हैव द any permanent house or den and any permanent place to live, like elephant, deer and fox. These are the examples of those animals. Then some animals are there who make their home themselves. Here you have studied about the lion, tiger, bear. They do not make their home. वो जंगल में रहते हैं, गुफाओं में रहते हैं, लेकिन वो अपना घर नहीं बनाते हैं. वो नेचुरल होम होता है, एक तरह से कहेंगे कि गुफा बनी हुई होती है, गुफा रहती है, पत्थरों चट्टानों के बीच में वो रहते हैं. लेकिन कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो अपना घर खुद बनाते हैं. लाइक स्पाइडर मेक्स अ वेब एंड हनी बी मेक अ बी हाइव. ये आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, ये घर जो है ये इन्होंने अपना खुद बनाया है. देन सम एनिमल्स आर देयर फॉर विच ह्यूमन बीइंग या मैन मेड होम फॉर देम, जिसके लिए इंसान, मनुष्य घर बनाता है. They are called, they may be domestic animal, they may be pet animal. वो domestic animals भी हो सकते हैं और pet animals भी हो सकते हैं. आपने पढ़ा है लास्ट चैप्टर में what are the domestic animals, what are the pet animals. So their homes, man made their homes. उनका घर जो होता है वो इंसान बनाता है. They do not make their home and they do not live in the natural home also. So here horse home name is stable. Then cow lives in shade. Then dog lives in kennel. घर, कुत्ते के घर को कहते हैं kennel. Then coop is made for the hen. coop जो है वो hens के लिए बनाया जाता है. फिर fish can live in the aquarium. And generally they live in the water, that is their natural home. But if we are keeping the fish in our home, then it can be in the pot or in an aquarium. Now children, I have made some questions for you for revising. So let's do that. So children, let's solve some questions from lesson 13, food and shelter of animals. Question number 1 is, wolf is an example of it. Just now we have studied about the animals, that there are some plant eaters, some flesh eaters, some grain eaters, etc. So wolf is the example of plant eater or flesh eater or grain eater. So children, first correct answer is wolf is the example of flesh eater, because wolf does not eat plants and grains. So it is Correct option is flesh eater. Both is an example of flesh eater. Then question number 2 is it lives in den. It lives in den. Then horse live in den, or bear lives in den, or both lives in den. So I have given here horse live in stable and bear lives in den, but I have given here both also to confuse you. हमने आपको confuse करने के लिए दिया है. This type question may come in your exam. ऐसा आ सकता है कि वहां both दे दिया. Don't be confused. If both is there, it means both will be the correct answer or option. You have to read and think for the option. So then bear lives in den, horse live in stable. So correct option is bear. Then third is it does not eat grains. Does not eat grains. Grain नहीं खाता है. Who does not eat grain? Hen and eats grain. Mouse. Mouse also eat grains and seeds. And lizard. Lizard eat insects. So who does not eat grain? That is correct. Our option is lizard. Lizard छिपकली जो है वो grains को अनाज को नहीं खाती. Okay. So this is the revision of lesson 13. Revise very well. Study all the whole book, means whole chapter. And till the next video, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.